This is just an impromptu interview because we're just sitting down here in the campground, and I told them like, let's just vlog, and they're just willing to be in the camera, okay? So I want them to share their own knowledge and ideas about their work experience here in Canada and how they came to Canada. These two sisters, they came to Canada. They came here as a living caregiver, like me, okay? They came from Hong Kong first. They're from Philippines. They went to work in Hong Kong. Then from Hong Kong, they cross country to come here and work in Canada as a caregiver, okay? So that living caregiver, that was our time before, okay? Remember guys, the new program for the living caregiver that you need to have IELTS, okay, it started year 2019. Okay, so that was our time before is no IELTS. They just only have only to prove the 72 units above. Yeah, that's the requirements before. But now, you guys to have at least 1 year work experience as a caregiver. And also, you need to submit your credentials here in Canada, either IQAS, ICAS, CES, WES, for them to assess the level of your education.
Educational
Assessment here in
really?
Canada. Yeah. And you need to have IELTS ate.
for
The passing score is 5. Yes.
the ban.
Yes. The band score is 5. But for us before, we don't have that. So we are lucky, yeah. My big ate is working in a long-term care facility in an assisted living, okay? So as I told you before, in Canada, after you work as a living caregiver, you need to completed some hours, some years for you to be qualified to apply for your permanent residence. Before you apply in a long-term care facilities, you need to go and study a healthcare aid here in Canada. Healthcare aid before is like 4 months, 6 months. Now I heard it's about 8 months. You know what, ate?
Yeah, 8 months.
8 months now, okay. How much is the tuition fees for that?
It depends. If you are private, if you wanna go private, I think it's 8,000 plus. But
A private school. She's
Private
talking
school.
about the private school,
if
okay.
it's for public like Bow Valley,
Yeah.
it's
It's
cheaper.
2,000 Canadian dollar. So, yeah, but if we are talking about the international student, it's times 3 for your tuition fees, okay? It's different when you are permanent resident here in Canada. Okay. What year you were here in Canada? Just pretend English is speaking, yeah? Ari akong hiro. What year you were here in Canada?
Oh, I think 2010.
2010. So she was here 2010 as a living caregiver that time, okay? And after 2 years completion, you apply your permanent resident, right? So, like for example, those contract worker who come to work here, like in restaurant, cleaning jobs, or something, they work in the farm. They have their own requirements to complete. How long your husband to wait to be approved to come here in Canada?
That might be our February 23, 2015. Then my husband and my son came here July 7, 2015.
What year? Oh.
February, March, April, May, June, July. 5 months.
Oh my God, that is 5 months. Wow, you're lucky. Whoa. Depends on your status, okay? Some people, they waited for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or even like more than that, okay? For her, she only waited her permanent resident sponsorship for just only 5 months. Wow. And what type of job you're doing now?
Factory.
Factory work, yeah?
Yeah.
What type of factory? Like you carry stuff or...
It's a factory of
Push and pull?
it's for the what do you call that one? I don't know. The bupon bola na kakili-kili.
They're doing some kind of cleaning pipes, making brush, broom, something like that, okay?
And the fake brass for the
Was it heavy job though, or it's okay?
it's a heavy job because you need to lift some
Like heavy stuff?
yeah,
Okay.
and I don't know how to explain.
It's okay, you know, but we just have fun here.
Yeah,
Oh, how you go?
yeah, for the fake grass.
Oh, I see. Like to work here in Canada as a factory, like especially for you guys new immigrant here in Canada. This is what I told you many times in my other videos, like start from the scratch, okay? And these are the type of jobs, like survival jobs, okay? Like working in a factory like her. And the salary is okay, right? How
Um,
much is the start?
Before I start 13 per hour,
Yeah,
and now 15, then go to
15.
18, then go to 18.50, then that's it.
Yeah, and it's not bad, right? To start for a living here in Canada. She's working in assisted living, and how much is the salary for now? Be-
18 something?
yeah, because some company they started like $19,
Yeah.
and they have the evening differentials too. Okay, I have a video about that, about the evening differentials. Okay, and it depends on the differentials too. Some company they pay $1. Some company they pay $2.75. Okay, so it all depends. And if you're working night shift, it's more the night shift differential is more higher, right, Ate?
Yeah, and they
Yeah.
have and
They have a weekend differentials too. Okay, you start from Friday night, Sunday, Saturday. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and if you are going to work during the special holidays, time is it depends on the company. Okay,
2 or 1.5.
yeah, some company they pay double pay, and some are time and a half. Okay guys, so while I'm walking behind our campsite, let me share this to all of you aspirant immigrants, okay? To work as a live-in caregiver or nanny in Canada is the easiest way to become a permanent resident. Okay, so in order for you to come in Canada, you either apply online, go to Canada websites or canada.ca, try indeed.ca, or go to job bank. Okay, so this job bank is a free and run by government of Canada. And if you're applying for a nanny or caregiver, you try this nanny services.ca, or you know what, go to an agency like I did before. Okay, so what I did, I go to agency, and this agency is the one who helped me find employer here in Canada. So you know what, it's hard to trust sometimes agency, but try and go to Google, look for a legit agencies, okay? So who can help you to find employer here. Okay, and hey, it's because we are talking about caregivers or nanny here in Canada. I got some questions from you guys, like what if an employer like is if employer in Canada are good or bad. Okay, so I think I got these questions from you, one of my subscribers. Okay, so in Canada, Canadian employers are good people. Okay, Canadians have the right to be treated fairly, and Canada has a laws to protect individuals' right. Okay. Yeah, so you feel safe here in Canada, okay? Don't compare in some other countries. Just my own experience. So you will be fine here in Canada. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. And God bless everyone. So the back of that campsite is a river where my kids are playing water.